You don't think this is a woman?
No way. It was a spirit, and she walks.
Biker Radio Broadcast advises safety at all times, discourages underage riding, but celebrates the spirit of motorcycling. And how?
Tango Charlie, Green Tea, 515, coming team, Green Tea. Good morning, Tango Charlie, this is Easy Peter, Green Tea 515. I'm ready to roll. See you in 5 at the DNG Bay. Over and out.
Hello and welcome to episode number 7 of the Biker Radio Broadcast. I'm Sunny.
And I'm Shandy.
और 6 बॉल डल चुकी हैं, नए ओवर की शुरुआत, and we thought it's a perfect time to bring in a spinner.
A firki.
A दूसरा.
Or should we say, a chalawa?
So we're taking a break from the predictable and giving our standard format some cooling time. This is a one-off show, and we're putting out all the usuals to make space for the unusual.
Biker Radio Broadcast caught up with tour business owner of Meandering India, Rajiv Pradhan, along with his riding partners Ashish and Chaitanya.
And we got chatty about his video of an apparition that they saw and even got on film late in the evening on a dark, deserted highway, or so they thought.
Can you tell us what really happened?
Okay, so we were on a ride to a place called Kanasar, which is just ahead of Dehradun and Chakrata. A group of friends, we were about 7-8 of us. We camped in Chakrata for about 2 nights.
Okay.
Then on the way back, a couple of us decided to stay back at Dehradun. Late breakfast, and so we left Dehradun pretty late, by around post-lunch, 3ish, mid-noon types. We were coming down, we rode. So by the time we were in the decently wider roads of the plains, somewhere around Meerut.
What time?
By the time we reached, I think it was about late, 9ish, maybe a little
late
later.
at night, is
Yeah.
it? Okay.
Because
Was
like
there
I
lights
said,
on the road?
no lights. It's absolutely dark. It was a 2-way highway.
Okay.
We were going on straight coming towards Delhi.
And this is not the main highway?
This is the main highway.
Okay.
But lesser traffic as it is there during the day.
Okay.
That time we didn't really have the money to buy a GoPro.
Right.
So we had those little point-and-shoot cameras.
Right.
We'd made a mount on it. On the first bike, it was mounted.
Okay.
And we had a little cover on it so that the dust doesn't spoil the lens.
Right.
And the guy just started out, and we were just riding.
Yeah.
And if you go through the videos, the funny part is all 4 of us are trying to come back to Delhi fast and whatever. We're just going at it. So in the video, out of the blue or dark or black, whatever, you'll see a lady who comes up from the left side on the road. She's, as it is like a Hindi movie, wearing a white sari. And if the traffic is going on straight, she's walking across, and she's like, she won't look at you. She just keep walking across, and we barely miss her. She goes on.
This is the Biker Radio Broadcast. Listen. Connect. Right on.
So if you just see all 4 are coming at the same speed, nobody's giving any bippers, honk, nothing. So the lady just pops out. And this video we only noticed once we came home. It was with me for about a week or 10 days, and then when we were going through the photographs.
What do you mean? You didn't see the
No, we didn't see. None of us saw. If you see the video, none of us are honking. And if I actually saw a lady in white,
You'd be honking like crazy.
no, I'll turn around and go back to Dehradun. I won't go straight on. I'm never going to go straight on. Yeah, so, and
So you didn't realize this is happening?
nothing.
Okay.
Yeah. There was a story a long time back with a friend of mine, Gaurav Soni, on that same road, but towards Muzaffarnagar.
Okay.
He was again riding to Chakrata. There were 2 of them, the 2 friends, Gaurav and another friend of his.
Yeah.
They were riding in the middle of the night, And in the middle of the road, as they got closer, they saw a lady. Her hair was fully down. But she was not wearing a sari or anything. She was in a long kind of a skirt is what he described. And she was just walking.
White color?
No, I think it had some color on it from what I remember. So Gaurav was a little perplexed.
So he saw her?
He saw her.
Okay.
And as he getting closer to her, he had that thing, maybe she's hurt. Maybe something bad has happened. He was trying to slow down. So his friend comes charging from behind and just catches him from his thigh or something. Just keep riding. Don't stop. And the lady, you couldn't see her face. All the hair was on her face. And she was just walking. There was no reaction, nothing.
Oh, God.
So Gaurav was like, he said, just keep riding. I'll explain later. And then maybe about a kilometer to whatever, they could stop for a smoke. Yes, he says, don't stop on these roads, especially if you see something like this. There's that, I don't know, Pahadi, may they call it something else, but here they call it a chalawa.
Chalawa.
Like chal.
Oh, chal.
So that's how it came. So that's how we were also calling that lady as something like that, because we couldn't see her. We actually couldn't see her.
So who are these friends of yours who were with you?
There were four of us. There was a guy called Sapan Pradhan. There was another friend, his name is Bhavishya Devgan. I was there, and I've forgotten the fourth one.
Tell me one thing, one gets to hear a lot of these stories from the Northeast, and you are somebody from the Northeast. Okay, here is the counter argument. Do you think your mind was already prepared for something like this?
No. We were not thinking of anything like that, because we, as always, were just not wanting to go back to Delhi. Okay, we were stopping, having a smoke and everything else. So we were, as it is running very late, and we were going at it just so that we had to join office the next day.
Right.
And there was nothing like we were talking about ghosts or anything like that. Because we had a very nice stay in Kanasar. We'd slept out in the open. Other than a few animals here there was nothing on our mind. Dehradun was nice. So if we were discussing about ghosts, maybe during the day also, maybe it would have stayed in the back.
Did you?
No, we didn't. Nothing. There was no mention about it.
So you get back and you look at your pictures after a week. And what?
So in the same file.
So where is this realization that God, hello, let's just please rewind.
So it was more than me. It was my cousin Sapan Pradhan. He came home and he said, we don't. Sometimes he's the one who's always got these things around him. He feels. So when I was sitting on the bed and he was going through the computer pictures and all. So he says, "What is this?" I told him, "Someone just come." So I got up. So it was a long video because it was a continuous video that we had made.
Right.
So I said, "What is it?" And he kept forwarding. So we come to that little clip. He said, "Ye kya hai?" So then you look at it that actually there have been explanations that it could just be a lady coming out of the village.
Right.
Exactly. A lady just crossed the road.
Yeah.
But if you really take a nice, because I viewed this very nicely on a big, like a screen, like a projector back home. There is no village where she comes out from.
And she doesn't definitely look like a village woman.
No, she doesn't. Because any lady who's there, okay, let's benefit of doubt. She would stop, she would look at you, look at the traffic. Nobody wants to die. She is not running also.
Completely oblivious.
Nothing. So if you're the traffic that's coming, I'm the lady, I just walk like this. I'm not looking at you, I'm not looking here and there. I just walk. And I don't stop, I don't run. I'm just walking nicely. Okay, the second thing is, let's say you are the one who's riding. If you see somebody like that crossing, any villager, anybody, you'd stop, you'd slow down, honk, whatever. And especially in the middle of the night, if you see a lady coming, you would obviously have that in your mind.
Right.
None of us saw her. If you've seen the video, nothing is like that.
And she's pretty pleasant to the eye.
We couldn't see her face.
You can?
No, you can't see the face, but
It's just a white kind of a form. It just walks.
let's put it this way. She's not unpleasant to the eye.
No, she's not, because we couldn't see what she was. We just saw a form. It's in white. So there were people, it's a reflection. Now, if it's a reflection, a camera, let's say, picks up a reflection, you guys would know more.
Yeah.
There would be no proper form of somebody walking around like this.
Yeah.
I've had those little...
Yeah. Also, the other thing is, this is a digital camera. This is not one of those where the film is rolling and so the film was exposed earlier and then re-exposed or something like that.
Little, point and shoot.
Right.
Where you put it on a video mode.
Right.
You have a SD card and you just let it keep playing. That's... so it is...
So what do you think it is?
I thought about it, and there is no other explanation. It is a spirit. I can't think of anything else. It is a spirit.
You're convinced?
I am 100% convinced. Because there is no explanation.
Chaitanya Vats, 37-year-old business head, telecom retail. Rider, Royal Enfield 500 Classic.
This was in Chakrata, around 2010 or 11. So we had a long ride. So this place was known as Snowview. So there were 2 big rooms like dormitory. We stayed there for the night. It was like 2 or 3 double beds side by side. And we were 5-6 guys in one room.
Right.
I was sleeping in just, on the corner of the bed where there was a door to the bathroom. And the whole night it was like creaking.
Oh God.
The door. The door. So I just thought probably
Hawa chal
rahi hogi. So I just went to sleep. The next day we wanted to go and see the Tiger Fall.
Tiger Fall यानी कि waterfall.
Yeah, we were around 8 guys who went for the trip. जब हम लोग वहाँ पहुँचे, तो it was me and another rider, Indrajit Sarkar. We too didn't feel like going to the fall because we were feeling a little dizzy.
अच्छा.
So 20 kilometer था वहाँ से Snowview से. So we thought we should go back to our rooms and we should take a nap. By that time these guys would come, so we'll have a good sleep and रात के लिए we'll be ready for the drinks. Right, and for the whole night.
Yeah.
So me and Dada started off from there. We came back to our room. So we were in 2 different dormitories attached. So I went to my room, just went by to my bed, which was just next to the bathroom door, and I just went to sleep. I was trying to sleep, and it was like, suddenly I felt like, something is there on me. Where I'm trying to get up from the bed and I'm unable to.
Okay.
So from there I shouted, Dada, Dada. So Indrajit Sarkar, we call him Dada. So I shouted, Dada, Dada. So he didn't heard. So 5-10 minutes or so, I felt that weight on me. Somehow I managed and I came out of that room and I went to Dada. And just being, the boy's factor and, the rider factor, I didn't said anything to Dada. उसको बोलूँगा वो सोचेगा यार चूतिया है, right? So I was in that dilemma. I just said कि यार I've just come over here to have a smoke with you.
Right.
Had a smoke, and then we decided, चल यार ठीक है, these guys are just about to come. And I also felt कि यार it would have been just because कि I'm feeling little tired. मेरे को ऐसा लगा.
Correct.
मैं वहाँ से उठा and then I again went to buy a room.
Right.
Again I was feeling a little, heaviness. Then I came out and I said to the caretaker of that place, said कि यार you send some massager. Just
Masseuse.
Yeah.
Masalchi.
Masalchi.
Is that what you call her?
Not her.
Yeah, not her.
Achha.
So you won't find a her over there.
Okay.
So you'll find a boy and
Sorry.
Masalcha.
Masalcha. Right.
Oh,
so
God.
called a masalcha. So it'll give me a little bit of massage and I will feel a little bit better.
Right.
So then he sent that masalcha came and gave me a massage. Thereafter I was feeling okay. So these guys came, everything went well off.
So
we all were cooking.
So you needed a man's touch.
No, if it would have been a woman, then it would have been better. But I didn't had any other option. Masalcha.
Look, you're free to have your imagination. We are free to have our imagination. Okay? This is the brilliance of radio.
I couldn't add that.
Only on radio is this possible, okay?
Rajiv Masalcha came.
Yeah, masalcha. Rajiv the masalcha. So what happened was, this was then it went dark. So we usually cook by ourselves.
Right.
I cut the onions and all.
You're the sous chef.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now what happens is, रात को everybody is enjoying. We are having a gala time. Bonfire है, सब लोग enjoy कर रहे हैं. Everybody is having their drinks and everything. We got almost 5-6 kg of chicken, which is there on a stove cooking. So in a big bagona, so 5-6 kg is cooking, and we all are enjoying. So at that point of time, we were around how many? 12 days went for that trip.
Achha.
Yeah, 12. Now it is almost cooked, and we all said कि चलो ठीक है, let's have one group photo. So that photo is still there with me. I can show you that photograph. So everybody is sitting in that photograph, and you can just see something above the head, a light.
Okay.
Whereas at that point of time, it was pitch dark.
There's nothing there.
There's nothing.
Right.
There's nothing.
Right.
So you can even see it's not a light. It's sort of an image.
Okay.
Above the head. So
Who was taking the picture?
it was some sort random guy. वो वहीं का कोई, it was a caretaker who took the picture
Of the entire group.
for the entire group. So as soon as we end up this photo session, all of a sudden this bagona filled with chicken suddenly falls down.
This is the Biker Radio broadcast. Listen, connect, ride on.
Nobody is near the stove, and it just filled by itself.
This is
nothing.
one of the most scary things you can do.
And in Chakrata, in the middle of the night at around 1 a.m., there's nothing. You don't find anything over there.
Could it be wildlife?
No. Because it was all fenced where we were sitting.
What do you think it is?
So, some energy. Of course, there's some energy.
Okay, let's talk about the supernatural. Say it's a supernatural force.
Okay.
So what's the motivation?
Just to make their presence.
I just want to add one thing. There was a special tree there, and I still have the photograph, and Rajiv has the photograph. Barren tree. That's the word I was looking for. Barren tree. And I think that everything which was happening there was there inside that tree. Me, Indrajit Sarkar and Chaitanya, we were wrapping up everything. We were wrapping all our utensils, because being a biker, we were carrying everything, our plates, our own spoon and everything. So we were washing the utensils and we were carrying it into our rooms. And because we were a little scared of and skeptical, maybe whatever has happened, and we had two minds about it. So we were standing right next to that tree, because all the cutting and grocery washing was happening around that tree. And suddenly one of our friends, who's not a believer in ghosts, he is somebody who's with a very strong will, like probably Raji or like Chaitanya, they will probably not be fearful of anything. They're ready to face anything. But this guy just told me one thing: Ashish, come inside. He told me once, and he told one of our other friends, which is Mahinder Adhikari.
Seriously?
He just said, just come in. That's all he said. He never said there's a ghost behind you or blah 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 or something.
अंदर आ जाए.
Just अंदर आ जा भाई, जल्दी अंदर आ जा. और हम दोनों ने सब कुछ जो था वो छोड़ा और हम दोनों अंदर आ गए. And then he reciprocates. Then he says कि मुझे तुम्हारे पीछे एक shadow जाती हुई दिखाई दे रही है.
This is the Biker Radio broadcast. Listen, connect, ride on.
और वो बोल रहा है जिसने कभी भूत पे बिलीव या किसी ऐसी चीज पे बिलीव नहीं किया. जब वो ऐसा बोलता है ना, तो you have the goosebumps.
I just got goosebumps.
Yeah. Straight away it was like, from not being scared, from head to toe we were like straight. And we came inside the room, and then he said, boss, don't be outside, because for the first time today I felt a shadow moving behind that tree. So there's something related to that tree, and I still have it on my Instagram. I can show it to you.
What kind of a tree is this?
It is kind of a banyan tree.
It's like what you have in Africa. They call it a
First,
boba.
it's very scary to look at.
And what time of the evening is this?
Approximately 3 a.m.
A shadow at 3 a.m.
Yeah, because see, till now we were only imagining things. Yeah,
Maybe not
first
a
time
shadow.
something had a force to it, or something which was visually coming in front of us,
Right.
and letting us know that the presence is there. and it was really scary because one of our strongest
you're dead sure about this?
Yeah, we're dead sure about it because we're like, wow, did this really happen? And understand, imagine a room and there is a space for 4 people to sleep. Out of those 4, 3 people are sleeping on one bed. And guys,
they were scared.
They were scared. They were frightened. In our biker group, we are, to be honest, we are not here to build up stories. That's what we.
That would be very foolish for anybody.
Because there are so many good judges we have. They have seen life. They will be the first one to criticize us.
Right.
They'll say, "अबे यार उल्लू मत बना यार."
Right.
डरा क्यों रहा है? दारू पी के तेरे को ज़्यादा चढ़ गई क्या? That's what their first words are. तो हुआ ऐसा कि जब आंखों के सामने हो गई ना चीजें, तो डर अपने आप सामने आ गया.
Ashish Prakash, 33-year-old entrepreneur, IT, rider, Renegade Sports.
We were going to Kanesar. We were there and there was no electricity. So we were like suddenly in a stone age. No electricity, no water on. We had to go and fetch water, start a fire to actually enjoy the night. You know, everything was going very smooth. People were making, like one of our friends, Sandeep sir, was making food. So he was occupied with that. Me and Rajiv were enjoying the moment because we love to be there in the mountains all the time. And that's what riding gives us. That's the pleasure that we enjoy. तो 4 दोस्त थे और 2 लड़कियां थी अपने साथ, जिसमें मेरी वाइफ भी थी आरती, और एक लड़की थी स्मृति करके. She's my BPO friend. We go to a party, we enjoy, have a good time, and that's all. This was something which was very wild for her because she never did this. वो कभी भी बाहर जाती थी तो होटलों में रुकना पड़ता था, और बट ये पहली बार उसके साथ हुआ कि उसने बोला कि आशीष मैं तेरे साथ बाइकिंग वाली ट्रिप पे चलती हूं. उसके लिए भी एक्सपीरियंस था, मेरे लिए तो खैर था ही एक्सपीरियंस. सो इनिशियली अपने को एक फॉरेस्ट गेस्ट हाउस मिलना था, बट समहाउ कुछ प्लान चेंज हुआ और किसी और ऑफिसर ने वो गेस्ट हाउस ले लिया. तो हमें वहाँ पर एक तरीके के सर्वेंट क्वार्टर्स, तो आउट हाउस, हाँ आउट हाउस, वहाँ पर रुकना पड़ा. और वो सारे लकड़ी के बने हुए थे. अब उनके साथ कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं थी, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि किसी में भी ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, ना कोई बल्ब, ना कोई लाइट, ना कुछ. तो 6 बजे के बाद आपको पता ही है पहाड़ों में अंधेरा हो जाता है. पिच डार्क एंड यू कैन हार्डली मेक आउट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एंड व्हाट इज नॉट हैपनिंग. सो हम लोगों ने आग जलानी शुरू करी जस्ट टू गेट लिटिल लाइट. और हम लोगों ने वहाँ एक ग्रुप बना लिया गोल, और वहाँ बातें और अपनी जो लोगों की बकैतियाँ शुरू होती हैं वो सारी शुरू हुई. तो कुछ लोग खाना बना रहे हैं, कुछ लोग बातें कर रहे हैं, और सडनली मेरी जो दोस्त है स्मृति, वो बिल्कुल मेरे सामने बैठी हुई थी, और कुछ ऐसे लोगों के साथ जो उसको कभी पहले से जानते भी नहीं थे. तो
मतलब how many people were there?
There were about 5 people in total. So there were 2 girls, Smriti and my wife, and there were 3 and 4 boys, like including myself. Or it was for her, it was a very new friend zone that she was getting into.
Okay.
और सारे बैठे हुए हैं, और सडनली करीब 11:30 बजे होंगे, तो हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि थोड़ा यार खाना वाना खा लेते हैं या कुछ कर लेते हैं. एंड देन सडनली स्मृति गेट्स अप फ्रॉम वेयर शी वाज सिटिंग, और सीधा उठ के मेरे पास आ गई. और वो एक ऐसी लड़की जो किसी चीज़ को एग्जैजरेट नहीं करती और बहुत ही सिंपल है. तो जब वो मेरे पास आई तो मैंने सोचा क्या हो गया ऐसा कि यू बॉट अप फ्रॉम देयर, वो यू फीलिंग अनकंफर्टेबल विद दीज फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइंड, और कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि किसी ने कुछ बोला या किसी ने कोई मजाक कर दिया दैट यू डिडंट लाइक. तो वो कह रहे थे नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. और माइंड यू, मतलब मैं ये पार्ट भूल गया कि वी वर सिटिंग राइट बिटवीन द पाइन ट्रीज. देयर वर 5 पाइन ट्रीज अक्रॉस लाइक इन द सर्कल, और उसके बीच में बॉनफायर चल रही. तो यू कैन इमेजिन लाइक चारों तरफ से पाइन ट्री ने घेरा हुआ है, और बीच में एक
you guys were out in the open?
Yes, of course we were. So it was totally wild, you can say.
What time of the year is this?
This was June that we went.
Wow, nice weather.
Yeah. Nice weather is in the hill, not in Delhi.
Right.
So it was beautiful. मौसम बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन बैठे हुए हैं और सडनली एक आपकी अपनी दोस्त जो आपको जानती है वो सडनली उठ के आपके पास आती है बिना किसी इंटीमेशन को, आके एक ही चीज़ बोलती है कि एक बात बता मुझे, टेल मी वन थिंग, that any of your friends did they catch my head? I was little taken back, like a setback. Like I said, मैंने तू मेरे सामने बैठी है, उस बॉनफायर की आग में सब कुछ दिख रहा है कि किसकी शक्ल कहाँ है, कौन कहाँ बैठा हुआ है, और ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि इतना अंधेरा हो रहा है कि मैं देख नहीं सकता कि कोई इसको छू रहा है. मगर
और 5-6 लोग ही हो।
हाँ, 5-6 लोग हैं, सब आपस में बात कर रहे हैं, कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई चुप बैठा है। तो मैं थोड़ा सा डर गया, मैंने कहा कि क्या हुआ। मैंने उससे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा, what happened exactly? So she said that one of these guys caught my hand, like caught my skull and caught it really hard. लड़कियों को कहते हैं कि अपने बाल खुले नहीं छोड़ने चाहिए।
ऐसा क्यों है?
ये तो मुझे भी राज नहीं पता कि क्यों है, बट कहते हैं कि लोग लड़कियों के बालों से, केश से भूत चढ़ता है, ऐसा पुराने लोगों का अंदाजा है। एंड आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ वुडू आल्सो हैपेंस विद योर हेयर और योर बॉडी और योर क्लॉथ्स। Now again, where we were, this place was made by Britishers. Our history says that a lot of Britishers did a lot of menace when they were in power. And they basically misutilized us as in Indians, like they used to take undue advantage. तो उसकी वजह से उन लोगों ने बहुत कुछ किया, बहुत रेप हुए ऐसी जगहों पे, और अक्सर हम काफ़ी सारे FRI जाते हैं और जहाँ पर ये सब कुछ बहुत हुआ होता है। तो मेरा ये बिलीव है कि वो जो भटकती हुई आत्माएं हैं जिनके साथ जस्टिस नहीं हुआ या जो सेटल नहीं है उन इंसिडेंट्स से जो उनके साथ हुए, उसकी वजह से वो बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब एग्रेसिव हो जाती हैं या वो कंफर्टेबल नहीं होती जब हम वहाँ पहुँचते। बिकॉज आई एम श्योर हर कोई अंडरस्टैंड करेगा कि अगर हम किसी के पीस में चले जाते हैं और वहाँ जाके उधम मचाते हैं, वी स्टार्ट मेकिंग नॉइजेज और वी ड्रंक और वी टॉक लाउड, पीपल डोंट लाइक इट, आवर पेरेंट्स डोंट लाइक इट इफ वी डू इट इन आवर हाउस। सो सिमिलरली उन लोगों के लिए, हाँ, उन लोगों के लिए वो उनका घर है और शायद इस वजह से वो हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब अग्रेसिव हो जाते होंगे या जो भी होता था। तो इस जगह पे यही हुआ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। बिकॉज मेरी जो दोस्त थी, शी इज़ वेरी वेल स्पोकन, शी इज़ पास आउट फ्रॉम कॉन्वेंट एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड शी हैज़ अ वेरी ब्रिटिश ट्वैंग, वो बड़ा ब्रिटिश तरीके से बात करती है। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दिस इज जस्ट माई थॉट, बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि
she brought it upon herself.
Yeah,
you think so?
I think so. That she was talking that language and that twang, and because of which whatever was there, I don't say whether it was a Hindi spirit or a English spirit or whatever it was.
Right.
It actually got provoked and
Right.
it caught her head. And
So was she being rowdy or was she being loud?
She was very loud because she was definitely enjoying the moment, and she was first time in the woods without any luxury, no lighting, no.
So she was basically having an unbridled time. She was just having fun.
Absolutely.
She was having a good time.
Yeah.
And believe me, like all throughout the day, she really enjoyed everyone's company.
Right.
She was not like offensed by any of.
What do you
my
think it
friends.
was?
See, I know for sure that it was a supernatural. It was definitely a spirit.
But this happened, right?
But
so
this
she came
definitely
to you. She said,
She just
somebody held my head.
Of course.
And,
Of course.
And
imagine an IS officer's daughter who's seen everything all throughout her life. She's been to different places and everything, whatever. Maybe she's not seen the woods, but then imagine, like, I can just say one thing to justify this.
Yeah.
The way I want to say it.
Okay.
Like, people relate to a lot of things when they're sitting in the woods. They can try to just say that, मुझे ऐसा feel हुआ, मुझे वैसा feel हुआ, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. But इस बंदी ने उस टाइम पे कुछ नहीं चिल्लाया when it happened.
Really?
She just got up from that place, came and sat next to me. She was just beside me and she said, "Did you see?" That's what her exact words were.
Right.
कि तूने किसी को देखा कि इन दोनों में से किसी ने मेरा सर पकड़ा. अगर उसे हंगामा न बचाना होता, if she wanted to seek attention, she could have just shouted from there.
Right.
कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है.
Right.
But वो वहाँ से उठी because she was very scared. And believe me,
Okay,
when I
tell
say
me-
scared, she was
One question, Ashish.
frightened.
Was she having a drink?
Yeah, she
Okay.
was. She was.
Is she somebody who can handle her drink?
Of course, she can.
She can.
Yeah, because
So it's
I
not
know
something
her for
that-
6 years, and she's one girl.
It's
that
not a
I know-
figment of
Yeah,
imagination.
yeah, absolutely.
You
Because
don't
she's
think
been
it's
with
that
us
way.
for 6 years, and I have, like, hands down, I have never seen her drunk. Though she's way beyond average for other girls in Delhi.
so what happened after that?
So
She comes to you and she says, somebody
she
held
just
my
tells
head.
me that.
So what do you
Ashish,
do? What do you do?
So when she tells me this, then I start asking my friends, did anybody prank with her?
कमीने.
मैं सीधी बात पूछूंगा ना कि
Yeah.
मेरे दोस्तों से पूछ रहा था मैं कि भाई तूने तो नहीं किया या तूने तो नहीं किया.
किसकी तरफ
एंड
की?
और
तो कौन-कौन थे?
संदीप सर हमारे एक बड़े बढ़िया राइडर है वो।
सर का तो
नहीं, मैं उनको सर ही बोलता बिकॉज मुझसे उम्र में कम से कम 10 साल का फर्क हुआ।
ठीक है,
तो सर आउट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट निकल जाता है। और राजीव थे
तो राजा नहीं, मेरे से भी 10 साल
तो राजीव से भी निकल जाता है। और राजीव भाई बोलता हूँ मैं, राजीव से निकला। तो उसके बाद मैंने अपनी बीवी से पूछा कि तुझे दिखा क्या, जस्ट टू डबल मेक श्योर लाइक किसी और ने इसको छुआ नहीं। और उसके बाद बात खत्म हो गई हमारी। वी डिड नॉट डिस्कस एनीथिंग आफ्टर दैट बिकॉज
so besides you there were like three other men means one is Rajiv and one is Sandeep and one is
Yuvraj Bisht.
Okay,
yeah, he's basically from Uttarakhand and he's one of our very good friends.
वो तो नहीं,
everybody, every individual who was there on that trip was sitting all around that circle where this happened, and there was nobody who was missing. Had it been anybody missing, we would have definitely assumed that this person has played a prank.
So has Smriti been out with you after that incident?
Not really. See, to be honest, like me, Rajiv, Chaitanya, we have been to places and we have never been touched by anything, and we still get scared.
So here's to the spirits that ride with us and within us. We know that some of you may have had similar experiences,
while some of you are yet to.
Either ways, we thought that the best way to share a Friday the 13th moment, which is today, would be to bring out some of these stories.
If you have a story to share, don't send it to us. Just share your contact details and we'll snoop down on you very soon.
Rajiv, who runs a tour company called Meandering India, has agreed to put together a spooky tour for all of you guys. Okay, so let's put it this way. While spotting a tiger is not guaranteed, we'll take you to the sanctuaries.
This is one crazy weekend and we'd like to give a shout out to In the Deccan, it's Darshan time from today 13th, 14th and 15th April at the Ramoji Film City in Hyderabad.
Here's a shout out to the HUB, the Hyderabad United Bikers.
Darshan time.
Lights,
camera,
ignition. And going right across to the east, the Ride Sikkim Festival is on, and MTM, or Motorcycle Travelers Meet, has put together some interesting speakers for the fest. This is being followed up by a ride to some of the lesser known places in Sikkim.
Now that's going to be fun.
Also a shout out to Sajoba. This is the 31st edition. Sajoba for 31 years has been the beacon of motorsports and motor rallying in India. Once again this weekend, a 31 gun salute to Sajoba.
And lastly, here's a shout out to the man who's riding all over the country to spread awareness on saving the rhino. That's right, the one-horned rhino.
Julian Borua started his ride in Assam and right now is somewhere on the Coromandel coast in Tamil Nadu. We'll be chatting up with him in a few weeks' time.
Julian, from the Biker Radio broadcast, ride on.
Today is Friday the 13th, the day when it's neither the day of the Father or the Son, but the unholy ghosts lurking in the shadows, the ghost rider or the ghost in your machine.
Thank you to Rajiv Pradhan for sharing his story.
And to Ashish Prakash and Chaitanya Vats for sharing what they felt, heard, experienced, and even saw, or so they feel.
Thank you to the three of you, especially for sticking your neck out and doing this for us.
And thank you, Nidhi from Motorholic Works, for believing in the idea and sending us a brilliant, beautiful visual, if I can call it that. It gave me the jeepers.
The heebie-jeebies.
It gave me the heebie-jeebies. So that's it. Show some love.
It's over, but not out.
I've been on this trip recently on just trying to cover all the old British buildings in Uttarakhand.
Right.
Which are really neglected and really high up.
Wow.
You have, I think, 5 friends.
Yeah.
We were going to this place called Aradhyo. Okay. So Aradhyo is from here, you go to Ranikhet. And Ranikhet, the road continues on towards Almora.
Right.
Yeah.
Majkhali and all come. Wahan se there's one road which continues to Almora and one is a left turn.
Okay.
Which is a Gaon ka road and goes to a place, they used to call it a Lisa factory. So Lisa factory say you got to take a very bad road up about, I think, 12 odd kilometers to Aradhyo.
Okay.
Aditya was perched right on top. There's an old, like a dark bungalow.
Right.
Beautiful, but built in those early 1900s.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful. So nobody comes there. Huge sitting room like the size of this one.
Yeah.
And 2 rooms, one on that side, one on this side, one on the left, one on the right, attached bathrooms. If they have, let's say, the DFO, the district forest officer, or anybody who's on the round, he's supposed to stay there. So they have
functional to that.
They keep it spick and span, but no water, no electricity.
No electricity.
Oh, they had one little, one of those wall-mounted lights.
Candelabras.
Which is the solar kind of a thing.
Right.
That's the only light that used to be there.
Okay.
So the first room, we checked it. Second room, again, on the right, left, both the rooms checked. We're not very comfortable. He said, yeah, why don't we all crash in the sitting room itself?
Perfect.
So there was a big bang tail. I still remember I was sitting on this. I was on the extreme right. So there was a door next to me on my right-hand side, which led into the room on the right.
Right.
That was absolutely dark. Most of the friends had stepped out. We had not started drinking. They were trying to get a fire together. And they were like, chalo, you join in. And I think 1 or 2 were still sitting. One was sitting inside, one in the corner. So luckily we were getting internet connectivity much better than Vasant Kunj.
Wow.
Yeah, and you were getting
Much
4G.
better than Vasant Kunj.
बिजली
पानी, you know.
Wi-Fi.
कुछ नहीं है, ये चल रहा है पूरा. And all of them. Jio भी चल रहा है, Airtel चल रहा है, Voda is shooting off, everything's fine. Yeah, we were getting 4G.
4G.
There was a huge tower next to it. Because it was on the right on the hill, so they put it up.
Right. Smart move, huh?
Yeah, smart move. So anyway, I checked my phone and all, and I had kept it there.
Okay.
So I said, take it, taking off my boots and all. I was just sitting back. Like, so in the little from that dark room, I heard it very clearly. There was a lady's voice, like, hello. It was very clear. And
God, you gave me goosebumps, man.
I also got goosebumps, dude. I'm still getting it.
that very clearly, and it was very nice. Hello. And so I looked at
God,
this guy, and
man.
I was thinking कि ये तो कोई मोबाइल में कुछ कर नहीं रहा, उससे hello निकला हो. And he was nothing, he was just sitting आराम से, and I tried to shake the tail कि कहीं creak हो रहा कुछ होगा. Anyway, I got a little scared also. I changed and I went out. We had the first night, lovely. Caretaker आया. We had a little bonfire, food wood. He was not so open that night. So second night again we sat down. He said, जानवर तो बहुत है यहाँ. जानवर तो especially यहाँ पे बाघ और सुअर बहुत आता है.
अच्छा.
So I said, ठीक है, all that is fine. Then I said, what about any experiences? He says, not now, but initially when I did shift here, this was pretty dilapidated, and we had to work on it and all. I said, then I said, I don't think anything, because it seems like a very nice place. We slept well for the first night. He said, abhi to there's nothing on us such, but I've had one. So I said, what happened? So I was also a little interested. So he says, where are you sitting now? The bonfire. There are a couple of steps down into they have those terrace plantation, what
Right,
we call it.
right.
So the first terrace that's down there, I was clearing the grass, and it was towards the evening. So I kept clearing, and I had finished about 3/4 of the field, and I was going to call it an evening and go back. So just behind in the jhadi, I heard a lady call.
नहीं मगर सही में टेकिंग इट टू इट्स लॉजिकल कंक्लूजन ये द थॉट इज कि वी आर इन इंडिया तो वैलेंटाइंस डे है नो नॉट एग्रीएबल तो हमें बसंत पंचमी करना चाहिए. सो इफ वी वर टू डू फ्राइडे द 13th उसका क्या इक्विवेलेंट होगा?
फ्राइडे द 13th का मतलब क्या है? शुक्र तेरा.
हाँ शुक्र तेरा.
शुक्र तेरा.
हाँ शुक्र तेरा.
तो शुक्र तेरा मनाओ और चलो
जुमेरात की. Oh God, man. मेरा तो हलाल होने वाला है.
तेरा शुक्र मनाओ. तू मेरा शुक्र मना, मैं तेरा शुक्र मनाता हूँ.
हाँ तेरा शुक्र. फ्राइडे द 13th तो वही है ना, तेरा शुक्र.
वार नहीं करना है.
हाँ वार नहीं करना है. नॉन वायलेंस. वी आर अहिंसा. नॉन वायलेंस. तेरा शुक्र. फ्राइडे द 13th. दिस इज अ न्यू फेस्टिवल.
तेरा शुक्र.
हाँ तेरा शुक्र. तेरा शुक्र. Sounds good. I mean, Rajiv, come on, think about it. This is the day when you should be launching your spooky tours.
तेरा शुक्र